What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say, attack. So, my viewers and subscribers, this photo you are looking on right now, my people, you understand, of this female, basically, if you look really good, you can see cuffs on her hand. So, people, basically, she was the most wanted female in Jamaica. You understand? Very deadly, armed, and dangerous. So she was recently captured by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the JC of my people, after she was listed wanted for murder and robbery of a young well-known businessman from down in Hanover side. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, my people, a couple weeks ago, you understand, something happened, something occurred, my viewers and subscribers. When them say she, you know what I mean, basically she and the businessman didn't have some kind of relationship, something, but something did go down the line or something, you know, in a workout somewhere, some this, some that, my people. This businessman who operates a restaurant, you understand, very young, very talented, my people, and think people know him and everything, my viewers and subscribers. So she called him, you understand, say, you know, say me want to see you and something, my people. Businessman left him establishment, meet up or with her somewhere, my people. His brother, you understand, businessman brother don't know what was going on that day, was going to link up MC things and him see movements and things, my people. And from there, something occurred, something went down, where she managed to take a strap and she fire one hit the businessman, my people. Well, he was in hospital, my people, you know what I mean, going through treatments and things pertaining to the wound that he got from the bullet. And a couple of days after, he sadly passes away. Well, you have a Mark X motor car, my viewers and subscribers, and from this incident occurred, the Mark X has never been seen, you understand, up to date, and the female who was wanted by police, you know what I mean, for questioning and for the murder of this businessman, she couldn't be found. They managed to call her number, went to voicemail, she couldn't be tracked or nothing like that. But recently, my people, and now I've got the information today, which is Friday, October the 21st, that she was captured by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force for the thief in Mark X and for the murder of this young talented businessman from down in Hanover side, Jamaica. My viewers and my subscribers, look at her. You understand? You see how she look? Yeah, man, look tucky like Chucky. In her hat, in her little knickers, jeans and her little blouse and thing, my people, but different pics of her look so different, you understand. But basically, you can see that I saw where she trying to change up her look, trying to look raggedy, you know what I mean, because people know of her as a hype type. The girl always up on her makeup and her sexy clothes, them, you understand, put on her long nails, them, and this is not her type of dressing, but you can see how she dressing now, my people, trying to roll a different way, low-key way now, my people, because she know what she has done. You understand? Very cruel, very wicked, and very dangerous. All because she basically in a relationship with the man. Something went down, the man decides, you know what, I hate that I cannot anger it no more. Basically, him still a feelings here, my people. She managed to trick him, convince him to meet up with her somewhere, and it happened. And she finished him off, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Bop! That's it. Life gone. You understand? But grateful, my people. She is no longer a threat out there on the street because she has been captured by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. So one less bad apple off the street of Jamaica. Very armed, very dangerous, very cruel, and very wicked. She is a very dangerous lampile. No joke about it. But people, big up on yourself. More love, more blessings, more respect. Thanks, the love, the support, the like, the share, and every comment. You don't know, a one team, one dream, one scheme, and make sure you like, subscribe. Follow me on all social media platforms. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Peace out, my people. Love you all. Blessings.